Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Indian Beauty Blog. Today's video is about eyeshadow palettes under 1000 rupees. ये हमारी एक रिक्वेस्ट वीडियो है जो हमें कमेंट में रिक्वेस्ट आया था कि eyeshadow palettes below 1000 rupees बनाने के लिए. So we have 10 palettes over here. So starting from the least price to the highest one. So first is this Miss Gold palette. इसमें 18 कलर है आई शेडो के. ये 100 रुपीज़ की है. इसमें 4 पैलेट्स आती है. ये नंबर 1 है. एंड दिस इज़ हाउ द आई शेडोज लुक. सो क्वान्टिटी कम है एज बट इन 100 रुपीज़ वॉट एल्स यू विल गॉट. सो दीज आई शेडोज आर पिगमेंटेड. इट कम्स विद द स्पंज एप्लीकेटर. ये वाला ब्रश उसमें आता है. लाइक इससे अप्लाई कर सकते हैं हम, बट फॉर ब्लेंडिंग यू नीड अनदर ब्रश. सो देर आर वेराइटीज ऑफ 18 कलर इन दिस पैलेट. सो मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट पैलेट. Here I have this Miss Claire palette. ये Miss Claire बहुत पॉपुलर ब्रांड है इन द करेंट सिनेरियो और सिचुएशन ऑफ दिस इंडियन मेकअप मार्केट. सो Miss Claire ब्रांड की आई शेडो पैलेट का प्राइस है 150 रुपीज़. सो हियर देर आर 6 आई शेडोज and which you will get from Instagram pages online or as well as your local store. Even there are 2 blush with it. And here there was a brush which I have like misplaced. So this is the shade number 02. In this also you will get a variety. इसमें भी आपको variety मिलेगी. So it was for 150 rupees. So moving on to the third palette. This is the MAC palette. So it will ये सिर्फ आपको local stores में मिलने वाली है. So here this palette is broken. So please excuse me for that. एंड हियर वेराइटीज है आपको आई शेडो की 1 2 3 4 15 आई शेडोज, 2 ब्लश एंड दिस 2 आर फॉर फिलिंग द आईब्रोज. एंड दीज आर लाइक मैट प्लस शिमर एंड दीज आर ऑल्सो पिगमेंटेड. Even this you have variety. This is 04 palette. Then we have here ADS. This is for 200 rupees. These are all like shimmer shades, so you can easily see the shades like from outside, and for the inner shades you can pick up the applicator. ADS is very well known. You can easily get in the your local store. It comes in this box. Even the Miss Gold palette come in the box. And then moving on to the next palette. इसके बाद हम सिवाना पैलेट शो करना चाहते हैं जो हमने गिव अवे में भी दिया था. लाइक इट रिटेल्स फॉर ₹350, 350. दिस इज इन द शेड 03. जिन लोगों को मेबलिन न्यूड्स नहीं लेना है, लाइक इट्स बीन बिट कॉस्टली लाइक 700 रुपीज़, दे कैन रिफर टू दी सिवाना. दिस एक्चुअली द शेड्स आर सिमिलर इन बोथ द पैलेट्स, सेम है. एंड दिस कम इन दी बॉक्स लाइक पैकेजिंग. It will be available on Amazon as well as Instagram pages. In it there is a sponge applicator and the shades are matte भी है और shimmery भी है. Okay, so moving on to the next palette. Here I have is this Naked palette which comes in this box, which I have ordered from the Fashion Waves page for ₹500. So here I have the brush applicator. Like it is used for blending. In this palette there is matte as well as shimmery shades, 4 to 5 matte shades as well as shimmery. So it retails me for 500 rupees. The shimmery shades are quite more what we say pigmented. Then moving on to the next palette. Here I have this Kyle eyeshadow palette. Okay, so this is for 549 I suppose. This palette was not purchased by me. It was from page called Fashion Waves for the review purpose. So it has come in this box like packaging. Then here there are the shades. This is the holiday edition palette. The links will be in the bottom bar of the products which we can link. Next we have is this Chameleon eyeshadow palette. It is 36 shades. It retails for rupees 598 or 600 I suppose. And this is a good palette for the beginners as there are quite much more shades, and it is pigmented. All shades are pigmented and very easy to use. This is available on Snapdeal and Amazon, etc. Now I have is this Savannah color story. This retails for 650 rupees. These are the shades in this palette. Sorry, like this is the brush applicator you get with this palette, and the shades are good. It comes in this box like packaging. This is shade 03, and you can see the shades colors which are available in the palette from the box. So moving on to the last but not the least palette. This is Blush Nude palettes. It retails for above 700 but below 1000. Below 1000 rupees. ये palette is in the pink tone, pink nude tone. This is quite pigmented. अच्छा stay करता है, and for the eyeshadows to stay, eyeshadows ज़्यादा time eye पे रखने के लिए it's better you use primer. And there are description in the back side के how to create the looks. So this is how the palettes look. It has a sponge applicator as well as blender, and these are the shades. So thank you for watching, and these were the 10 eyeshadow palettes in 1000 rupees. Hope you like it. Please don't forget to give the thumbs up. Thank you.